Hi guys, what's up? It's Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited for today's video. We about to jump right on into it, but before we get into the video, be sure to give the video, well, I keep saying video. But before we get into the video, be sure to give this a thumbs up if you enjoy, and also subscribe if you're new. So if you're new to my channel, I really think it's important to support Black businesses and small businesses, especially small Black businesses. It's a tongue twister, but you know what I'm trying to say. It's very important though, and I really hope that with these kind of videos, I encourage you not only to shop the places that I feature, but also I hope it just inspires you to dive into the world of Black businesses and small businesses, because there's so many of them that are underrated and very much slept on, and that deserve all the success and encouragement. I've covered other small owned Black owned businesses, so if you guys haven't seen that, I'll have that link down below for you. But today is all about Body by Raven Tracy. It's a small Black owned business. I believe it's based in LA because that's where my package was shipped from. Her vibe is very much like comfy but cute clothes. I love her brand's message. It's all about body positivity and just self-love and just loving your body, woman confidence. Like, we here for it. Like, I'm really here for it. Recently just released her new collection of her basic tracksuits. They came in 4 colors, I believe: apricot, lilac, tan, and gray. Outside of her tracksuit, she has also like other stuff, so definitely check out her website. She is really on the rise. Like, she's really coming up. Like, I just feel like I'm hearing more and more about Body by Raven Tracy, and I'm seeing it more, so we love that for her. We love it for her. I definitely encourage y'all to support. But anyways, enough of the yip yapping. Let's get into this unboxing. Okay, y'all, let me tell you something. So I'm not gonna lie to you. I refuse to lie to y'all, okay? Because y'all are my besties. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I opened this up already. I can't, y'all. This package came in like 2 weeks ago, like, and I'm just getting around to filming this video. So I actually had to. So yeah, I opened it up, but I kept all the original packaging just so y'all could still get the experience and get the vibe of what it looked like. So this actually came relatively quick. I believe it shipped in like 2 to 3 days. Like, shipping was really, really good. So this is the packaging it comes in. It just is like the signature. I feel like this is her signature. I see this little picture a lot. And I'm not gonna expose my address or whatever, but just so you get the, okay. So you get the vibe, she has quotes all about body positivity and words of affirmation. Just for example, my curves are where they're meant to be, and there is nothing shameful about that. Yeah, you just really get the vibe that this is made with the intent of love, like made with love and made for you to love your body in it, and I just love that. I love that. So when you open the package up, you look, y'all, I even stuffed it back in here for y'all. Each thing is wrapped in its own individual set. So I got the apricot color, or apricot. This is what it says. Again, you got the Body by Raven logo here. I believe this is the pants. Let's take a look at this. The material is top tier. Like, I'm not even joking around or being dramatic. Like, it's amazing. It's very, very stretchy. I got a size small in both the top and the bottom. I'll show you the top in a second, but it's definitely not like a spandex material, but it's super stretchy and super thick. Like, you're not seeing a damn thing through it. I'm gonna try this on, obviously, so you can see how it fits my body, but we just have the little logo embroidered right here. We love the attention to detail. And then the good thing about this, y'all, is that you can buy the set separate. So you know how most times when you buy sets, you have to buy the same size, like same size shirt, same size bottoms. You don't have to do that here, which is great because not everybody's the same size top and bottom. Like, it's really size inclusive. Like, the size range is crazy and we love to see it. I believe it goes from an extra small to like a triple XL. I'm not sure, but I know that there's a large range of sizing. So I got a size small in the top as well. When you take it out, obviously it was folded up, y'all. Like, she would never do you like that, like how I did, y'all. It was folded up, and then we have the little hoodie, and it looks so cute. Again, that same stretchy material. We have the Body by Raven logo embroidered on the side. It's just wonderful attention to detail. We don't see a single loose thread. Fashion Nova could never. Shein, they would never. Okay, y'all, so this is the tracksuit. It's definitely giving athletic baddie, IG baddie. This is better than IG baddie. Like, I always run into this damn mirror, like, embarrassing, actually. But I love this so much, you guys. I'm obsessed. I really am obsessed. Like, I feel so cute and comfortable, and that's really like my favorite way to dress. I love a cute and comfort fit. I have literally zero complaints. Like, it fits the body so good. But just to get into the details that I didn't mention, it comes with this little hood. Like, this is so freaking cute. This is so cute. And then it also comes with these little thumb holes. Like, come on, Raven. Come on, Raven, you did not have to snap like that. Like, and the little embroidery on the hand, if my camera would focus, that would actually, okay, great. But as you can see, little embroidery detail. Like, the material itself, like, literally is like hugging your body. It just fits the body so good. It really does. Body by Raven, rightfully named, because she do be giving body. If you're looking for a little tracksuit, I highly recommend get them while they're still on the website, and follow her on her Instagram. She's always posting when she's dropping a restock and also dropping a new collection, so definitely stay tuned, y'all. But I'm obsessed. But y'all, that's it for this video. I will have the link to what I got down below if it's still on the website by the time you're seeing this. But I'm really about to get the neutral colors. Like, stop playing. Y'all gonna see me in this all the time. But if you guys have shopped Body by Raven Tracy, definitely comment down below which colors y'all have got or what other pieces you've got from her before. And that's it for the video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.